In this video you will see how to change small letter to capital letters like this. It's very easy. Let's get started. For changing small letters to capital letter, click next to the small letter. Now press equal to on your keyboard and type the command upper, upper. Because we want to change this small case to uppercase, we will select the upper option and then we will select the cell containing the small letter. After selecting, close the bracket and press enter. Now we have got small letter to capital letter, but if you have many letters, what you can do is either scroll down like this, holding the bottom right hand end of the box, or what you can do is just double click here and you will get all small letters to capital letters. Now check out these useful videos shown on screen related to Excel. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.